Ïing Dorbar Tawan ke Jala Meghalaya, Hakasni ke Baar, ke Dorbar Senrai, ke Kyntait ya ke Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Repealing Bill Arjar Puar, ke bertemu ban pynduh Weng ya ke Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act Arjar Puai. Ya ketiga bill balawan ra Dorbar Adelbert nangrum MLA ke Khun Hiu Trap National Awakening Movement na North Shillong, habawan ra ya ke bill ba Adelbert loong ba kami ke jing persya, ban peterkam ya ki kasino bat kiwi pat hikam khalai ke Jala, kumna kaliang ki kunhun balang kiseng bahalang kinong yalam senang bat kiwi pat bat kumta kesoka kadai ban sngap ya kajing sngau upat ba ading kan yo lampang ka Ïing Dorbar Tawan ba met baling do ulabu akhmat ka Ïing laon Kyntait ne pdiang bat kasur na ki babun balang ka Kyntait ya kan ni rebel uba Adelbert.
Now we come to item number 4. Private Members Bill. Sri Adelbert Nongrum, MLA, to beg leave to introduce the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Repealing Bill 2022. Sri Adelbert Nongrum, MLA, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I seek leave to introduce the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Repealing Bill 2022.
Now, under Rule 71 of the Rules of Procedure of Conduct of Business, you may like to make a brief explanatory statement on the bill before I put the motion to vote before the House.
Once again, thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, sir, for giving me this opportunity, which it is a very, very vital subject for each and everyone, especially for the state as a whole. In the wake of growing opposition to the operation of casinos and legalized form of gaming in the state of Meghalaya, which has been expressed by church bodies, traditional institutions, social organizations, and individuals. I believe it is required for this August House to carefully weigh whether the intention of the government to raise revenue, from gaming is more important than listening to the moral sensitivity of the people. So a proposed enactment through a private members bill moved by me seek to fulfill the following purpose. Number one, to acknowledge and respect the moral sentiments of the people of the state. Number two, to ensure that the provision of the Meghalaya Prevention of Gambling Act 1970 is not diluted. And number three, to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. Hence, Mr. Speaker, sir, in light of the aforesaid reason, I now seek leave to introduce the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Repeal Bill 2022. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Now, let me put the question before the House. The question is that leave be granted to introduce the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Repealing Bill 2022. Those who are in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those who are against say no. The noes have it. The noes have it. The motion is not carried, and leave to introduce the bill is not granted. The bill is therefore rejected by the House.
Sir,
now
sir,
we come
sir,
to...
excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me. Only 1 minute. May I have a word? Sir, because why?
Honourable Member.
Look, sir,
Honourable Member.
this
you
is
can
very,
bring it
very
in a
important.
different- Honourable Member.
Look, once upon a time,
please take a seat.
during the
Please
COVID
sit, proceed.
combat,
When I make a statement,
during the
you
time
please take a seat.
when we combat about the COVID,
Honorable member,
Honorable Chief Minister
Honorable
of
member,
Meghalaya
please take a seat when I make a statement.
requesting
When I make a
the,
statement, you please take a seat.
the church leaders
Please.
to kindly pray
Honorable member,
for
Adelbert,
the
no,
state.
please take
Number
a seat.
two,
I'll make a statement.
Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, requesting the all
Honorable member,
traditionals to
Adelbert,
combat
I'm
together
requesting
with
you to
the
please take a seat.
COVID-19.
Please
They
take
are
a seat. I'm making a
exploiting.
statement. Please
They
take a
are
seat.
the lawbreaker and they are the lawmaker.
Adelbert, please take a seat. The House is being conducted as per the rules and procedure of conduct of business of this House. I have taken the sense of the House. I have taken the board as well. And during that, the bill is not granted. So therefore, the bill is therefore rejected by the House. You may bring again whatever you have as far as that subject is concerned in a different form. So as of now, the bill is rejected by the House.